New to this year, all EcoStudios are now supplied with UPVC windows and doors as standard, which helps eliminate drafts, is rot-free and have built-in 28mm double glazed windows.
Hi, I'm Joss, Trade Sales Manager for Multi-Foil Insulation. The stunning building you can see behind me here is a fully insulated EcoStudio garden room, which can now be purchased at the lowest trade prices. The EcoStudio can be installed by our installation team, or to save costs you can receive it in a self-build kit and install it yourself in as little as 2 days. This following video is a brief introduction into the self-build kit, which will be explained by my colleague.
There are 18 different sizes of EcoStudios available, starting from a 10 by 8 foot like this one, right up to a 20 by 12 foot. Whatever you need, we have an EcoStudio for you. Your EcoStudio kit will be delivered in modular sections together with a brief how-to guide to assist you with the build. In this video example, you can see a 16 by 10 foot EcoStudio being built by 2 tradesmen. What makes the EcoStudio unique is both the contemporary design and the high-performing insulation system used. In the EcoStudio kit, you will receive the EcoPro Multi-Foil Insulation, which not only helps to reflect cold away during the winter, but will also reflect away excess heat in the summer, making your EcoStudio a comfortable temperature all year round. Designed to reflect back around 96% of radiant energy into your garden room, EcoPro is one of the highest performing multifoils in as little as 6mm in depth. EcoPro, when fully taped and sealed using the Thermoseal foil joining tape, will also act as a vapour barrier, eliminating any risk of condensation. All windows and doors are double glazed glass sealed units, making the EcoStudio usable for work or leisure all year round. The external cladding is made from a composite wood resin material, which is guaranteed not to rot for a minimum of 20 years. The cladding is also primed, ready for painting in any colour you desire. Unlike standard roofing felt, we can also guarantee no leaks as our roof covering is made from EPDM rubber which boasts no seams of joints. As the EcoStudio is 2.4 metres high, this means normally planning permission is not required. The kit includes everything you need, such as the complete structure, the insulation system, windows, doors and ironmongery, which is every component required to build the EcoStudio up to this stage.
As myself and my colleague use this as an office, we've opted to go for laminate flooring. As well, we've also opted to go for internal and external lighting. The EcoStudio which we operate from is a 16 by 10, which is large enough to fit in 2 desks in a large meeting area. Also, we have a professional fitting team. The professional fitting team can install anything from treated timber bases down to dial outers and plug sockets. For more information on any of our EcoStudio self-build kits, please visit multifoil-insulation.com or by calling on 0114 323 0012.